Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open settings and click on password and security. Then you need to click on face section over here and enter your current login method. When you're ready, select continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of those instructions. After that, you can disable or enable Rise to Wake feature by choosing this switcher, and when you're ready, select Done. Now adjust all of those face unlock settings however you wish to by clicking on all of those switchers, and after that, choose Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly, so all I need to do is swipe up to open my smartphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!